So, it's very simple. Let's separate our model to base and top parts. Let's start with top part. It's very simple, just inverse kinematic constraint on last bone. It's look pretty good, or good enough. So, if you need some more information, a link in the description. This video is very useful. So, the most complicated part, base part. It's like a chain. I just add array modifier, count 50 and apply. Now let's add our top part that we can parent it in future. Now add armature, one bone, and in edit mode just stretch it up to the top of our base part. Now subdivide bone with a number of 50, like a number of parts we made in array modifier. Now every part has its own bone. So let's parent it. Select both of these and parent it with armature deform with automatic weights. In this case it works pretty well. Add a Bezier curve. Place it where you want. Now select top point of that curve, Ctrl H in edit mode and hook to a new object. It will create a null object that we can use in our animation and parenting. Change size of null object only in properties. Now parent our armatures and the whole top part to our null object with keep transform. Okay, now the top part is parented to our curve. So, select the bones, in pose mode select the top one, and in bone constraint add spline inverse kinematic. Select our curve and in chain length type 51. Number of our bones +1. So now it will rotate together with top part and base part. If you want to have more control, just subdivide curve, Ctrl H to add hook and use it in your animation. So it's quite a simple tutorial, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free in comments below.